Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Smashing Maths Problems with MRT Maths. This is Teacher Ray, and today I will show you how to do another equal stage question. So in the previous episode, I showed you how to do a maths problem sum that talks about equal stage beginning. And today we are going to do the same thing, but it is slightly different. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right down to it. Ali and David had equal number of the stickers at first. So I'll underline Ali and David. I'll underline equal. I'll underline at first. And in the question itself, they say, after Ali used 16 stickers, David received another 47. The ratio of the number of stickers Ali had to the number of stickers David had became 1 to 4. So what is this about? It means that in the end, Ali became 1 unit and David became 4 units. So this is in sequence because Ali came first and the first number that I see in the ratio is 1. So I can actually annotate 1 unit for Ali and 4 units for David. So the question is asking us, how many stickers did Ali have at first? So we are interested to find out Ali at first. So having done the basic annotation in pencil, now I will move on to highlighters, following the BYROG sequence. So B for blue, Ali and David equal at first. Y for yellow, Ali used 16. R for red, David received another 47. O for orange, Ali all the way to David. And last but not least, G for green. We are interested to find out Ali at first. So now that I have completed my annotation, I can get right down to the model drawing. So A for Ali and D for David. I can use the short form or I can choose to write out the names as what I've done so over here on the screen. So at the start they were equal, so I will draw a rectangle. I'll draw my model of a good size, then I will cut it into 2. Thereafter I'll extend upwards and downwards and I'll write out the word equal. So equal means that at the start, Ali and David, they have the same number of stickers. So in my model, I must show that Ali actually used 16. So since he used 16, I'll indicate minus 16 to show that there's a negative change. And if the space above is 16, the space below for David, it will also be 16. Then in my question, it actually states that David received another 47. So because David received another 47, I will indicate in my model plus 47. And I will extend my box accordingly. So, gentle reminder for everyone, when we are drawing our model, make sure you are using pencil so that in any case you want to make any changes, it will be very easy to do so. So I'll extend again nicely, showing that in the end, David received another 47. So having done so, they told us that Ali stickers is actually 1 unit. So I'll indicate that in my model. Whereas David became 4 units. So for this, I got to draw my 2 braces. I got to draw my 2 brackets. The first one and the second one. So this is the pro tip. If you draw 2 braces, it will actually allow you to get to the answer it will actually allow you to find the answer accurately. So in the end, David is 4 units. So the simple question, 1 unit plus how many units give us 4 units? So 1 unit, we need to add 3 units to give us 4 units. So from my model itself, I can write down that 3 units is none other than 16 plus 47. And if I can use the calculator and I key in into my calculator, the answer will be 63. And moving on, if I want to find 1 unit, it's actually 63 divided by 3, which will give me a very nice number, 21. As in, 21 is a factor of 63. And that's why I know that my answer is correct, because 1 unit is actually 21. But in the event of keying this into your calculator and you get a decimal with a long string of decimal places, then that is an indicator that maybe you have made a mistake. So do not give up and do not try to round off the number to the nearest whole number. Just go back to the question and see what went wrong. Okay? So 63 divided by 3, I get 21, and the question is asking us for Ali at first. So Ali at first is none other than 1 unit plus 16. So in my model, you can see there's a question mark, and I'll also indicate that 1 unit is actually 21. So Ali at first, we are almost done, okay, with the answer. Ali at first, it will be 21 plus 16, and that will get us to the final answer of 37. So we are also concerned about our answer, about checking our answer. So now I'll show everyone how I will do the checking. And as a reminder, we do not work backwards. We try to use another way to get our answer, to prove that Ali indeed had 37 stickers at first. So this is our checking phase. So to check, I will make use of David. Okay, I'll make use of David. So David in the end is 4 units. If it's 4 units, it will be 21 times 4. And that will get us to 84. And since Ali and David had an equal number of stickers at first, if I can find David at first, it will also be the answer for Ali at first. So I'll take 84, which is David in the end. I will subtract away 47. And having done so, I key into a calculator. I realize that 84 minus 47, it is 37. So having arrived at 37, this is a very good indicator that our answer 37 that we obtained earlier is the correct answer for this question. And everyone, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. This is Teacher Ray signing off. See you in the next video. Bye bye.